Right, okay, so we've got a couple of maintenance jobs that we need to get done this morning. One of the jobs is an exterior job and the other one is an interior one. So let's have a little bit of fun, see if you can kind of spot something that if it was changed, it would give that nice kind of classic touch to our MGB. I think the Colorado red is a nice kind of summery, bright kind of cheerful colour, so I think we'll dispense with the respray. Have a look at the front grille. Well, a couple of badges here, maybe an AA badge, get these off eBay and collector's fairs. But I'm actually a member of the RAC, so you could have a RAC badge there. That would, I wouldn't say it'd be a classic kind of look to it, but to make a little bit of difference possibly. One thing that we're not going to do, and I make no apologies for saying that, and that is to replace the chrome bumper with one of those ghastly black rubber bumpers that you see in the United States. I mean, as a novice sort of member, the things I like about the MG the best are the chrome bumper, driving with the hood down, the hooded top, the sound of the engine. They're the best things for all us novices. But to have a black hooded bumper on the front of here would look absolutely ghastly. And this car would then be taken to the nearest scrap heap and it would be crushed. Simple as that. So that's a non-starter. No, I think you must have worked it out. The thing we need doing on the front of the car, I think, is a number plate. Now what about that? Gives a nice kind of finishing touch. That's job number one.